The definition of SEO. The definition of SEO has changed out of all recognition since I started back in 1998, and that was last century, which makes me feel kind of old. Here's a very short, slightly cheeky definition of SEO circa 1998, when I started optimizing my first website for Google. Trick the system using simple, short-term tactics to get to the top and get the clicks. Today, SEO is much more subtle and much more in line with an approach to satisfying the client, which is something that any marketer will recognize. So what is SEO today? SEO is the art and science of persuading search engines such as Google, Bing and Yahoo to recommend your content to their users as the best solution to their problem. To win the SEO game, you need to work to do three things. Number one, ensure these search engines understand who you are and what you offer. Number two, convince them that you are the most credible option for their users. Number three, make your content deliverable. Now, how high in the rankings and how often you appear is merit-based. These engines will show them results that they consider to be the best fit for their users every time. Please read the article to learn more about SEO.